So what's up YouTube, welcome to another video from my channel. I am Ankit Banerjee and you're watching It's Your Biker Ankit. Now today I am at Speed Kawasaki Kolkata and I am here to give you a complete walk around of the Z650. Now let's hit the video. So guys, as you can see, this is the Kawasaki Z650. Now this is the naked motorcycle in their 650cc lineup. Now coming straight to the design, as you can see, it is very bold and very aggressive. Now it has this Z Tsugumi design concept going on with it, and this is the glass sparkle metallic black color, and if you look closely, this kind of shines under the light. And then you have this neon green graphics with neon front alloy wheels. Now coming to these forks, these are 41mm normal telescopic forks with this 4 gaiters, and it has this dual disc setup with Nissin calipers. Now these are 300mm pedal disc, and the front tire is of 120 by 70 R17, and these are from Dunlop. Now this is a 15-liter fuel tank that you are seeing, and it is looking so much beautiful in this metallic black color. And you have this extended tank shrouds where you have the key hub. Then coming to the engine of this motorcycle, so it's a 649cc parallel twin which produces about 67.3 horsepower and 64 newton meters of torque. And here we can see the exposed trellis frame in this green color, which is very attractive. Then this is the tank shrouds, which makes the motorcycle complete. Here you have the radiator of this motorcycle. Now it's a parallel twin and it has this liquid cooling system. You have the coolant cap here. Then again the trellis frame. Now coming to this side, you can see the underbelly exhaust with this aluminium swing arm, and the rear disc is of 220mm with Nissin calipers. Now the rear tire is of 160mm and it's also from Dunlop. Now coming to the seat height of this motorcycle, so it's a 790mm and the seat cushion is in the middle ground. It's not too soft, not too hard, and the pillion seat is also the same, and it's really big and nice. And you have this extra grab rails added, and you can always remove it if you don't like the design. I personally don't like it. Then you have the sari guard, which is again an odd looking thing. Then you have the open chain system for it, and underneath you have the monoshock. So it's a pillow adjustable monoshock. Here you have the rear tail tidy with the tail. Then you have the indicators here. Now these are bulb indicators, it's not LEDs. So that's how it glows. Let's come to the instrument cluster of this motorcycle. So I will switch on the key. It shows Kawasaki and then everything lights up. So you have the gear position indicator, you have the tachometer, you have the speedometer, you have the odometer, you have indications for the time, then you have the kilometer per liter, then you have the average, this is the range, the average speed, and the total time, that's the lap time. Then you have the trip A, trip B, and then again back to Odo. You have the engine heat sensor, you have the tail lights all around, and these are the 2 navigation buttons. And coming to the switch gear, so the switch gear, as you can see, you have the engine kill switch here with the ignition switch, and you have the adjustable brake levers. And on this side you have the hazard lamp switch with upper and deeper, and here you have the pass light, then you have the horn here, this is the indicators, again you have the adjustable clutch lever. So that was all about the design of this Z650, and I will make you hear the exhaust note. So let's crank up this motorcycle. So that was a very throaty exhaust note. So guys, that was all about the walk around of this Z650. Now coming to the ex-showroom price of this motorcycle, so it is at 6,18,000 rupees ex-showroom, and on road Kolkata is about 7,31,000 rupees, which makes it the cheapest 650 motorcycle from Kawasaki, and it's a real pocket rocket, to be honest. Now that was all about this video, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Ankit Banerjee signing off.